what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Motley on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. To play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your Capo on 6. There isn't really a guitar part for this, so you can just play along to the bass line. The chords you'll need are A minor, X open, 2, 2, 1 open. Then we'll have F, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Back to A minor. And then D minor. X, open, open, 2, 3, 1. So you just go back between those. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So that's A minor to F, and then back to A minor, and then to D minor. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and then D minor. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So if you want to follow the bass line even closer, you can go A minor to F, A minor to D minor, A minor to F, A minor to D minor, so how to play that little lick in between. So you go A minor to F, and then the 3rd fret with your pinky, the D string you play 3, 2, open, and then you go to the A string and play 3, and then open on the A string, and that brings you back to your A minor. So it's just to sound like this. And then the next lick, A minor to D minor, so it's you started a little earlier than the other one. So A minor to D minor, I'll do it again. 1, 2, A minor, so A minor to F now. That first lick goes, and then the second lick will go like this.